Hey everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are going to make this picker. Tie two sticks using rubber band, then move it forward and again tie it using rubber bands from both its ends until you got this shape, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to paste these two bottle caps using hot glue gun. Put a thread in between, then add pearls on both ends like this. We are going to paste it over the straw like this. Add more details like googly eyes and pipe cleaner, and look, here Dumbo is ready. You need these items for this craft. We are making a hole in the ice cream stick. Paste it using hot glue gun. Paste the bottle cap as well like we are doing here using hot glue gun. We are making the windmill like this. Paste the ice cream sticks and look, it is ready. And how cool this is looking. Let's make these colorful boards. We are going to cut a triangular shape and put the toothpick. Then we are going to put clay inside the bottle cap, dab it, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.